Hey, it's Crystal with the Traveling Addict. Today I'm working on the van and I've got my bed made. I am not doing your typical bed on the back of the van. I'm doing it long ways, and I do want to be able to walk through my van. It makes me feel like it's larger than it is. And it's just me, I'm single, so my bed is a single bed. So I did this bed and I took it out for a weekend to try it out, and I really liked it. The only problem was it was too high for the window. And when I open the window, my blankets are covering up the airflow. So I lowered it to 19 inches. So the bed is 19 inches tall, and then I have the mattresses on it and the foam pad and the blankets, and that way I still have my window unit. So here's the bed that I made. I used 2x4s on the feet, made a frame, and just used these slats for my mattress. And I'm going to add some boards here just so that what I store underneath doesn't slide in. So let me set it back up so you can see it. This is the bed. It's 21 inches wide because that's what my most narrow mattress is. And it's 77 inches long. And now it's 19 inches tall, so I can store things underneath. Okay, I added the cedar siding on the sides so that things won't fall out that way. I like that. Alright, for now I just put a lip on the bottom to keep things from sliding out. And I'm ready to put everything up.